When trying to assess from where your machine is leaking, start by looking at whether it is simply slush leaking or water. If the liquid is slush-coloured, first find out where the slush is gathering. The three most common places are the drip tray, underneath the machine, or inside the machine. If slush is gathering in the drip tray, it's most likely coming from either the drainage tap or the tap itself. Drain the tank completely and remove the tap assembly. Once this is done, inspect the tap sealing plug for any sort of obvious wear or damage. If it is worn or damaged, it needs to be replaced, and of course lubricated and refitted. If the external drainage tube is dripping slush, then this suggests that the seal at the rear of the tank is either damaged or the tank is not fitted properly. Remove the tank and inspect the rubber tank seal for damage or wear. If the tank seal is damaged or stretched, then it will need to be replaced. Now we will examine the fitting of the tank. Replace the tank, making sure that the tank is pushed all the way into position. Make a visual inspection of the tank gasket to check that it is well placed. The next most likely cause is a worn shaft support and/or watertight shaft seal. You will need new parts if this is the case. Empty and remove the tank. Remove the spiral and watertight shaft seal. Using pliers, remove the hard white shaft support with O-rings by pulling it towards you. Fit the new shaft support with O-rings by pushing it firmly in place over the shaft. This piece is shaped to fit inside the evaporator fully. Lubricate around the shaft and white shaft support, and then fit the new watertight shaft seal. Refit the spiral. Refit the tank seal to the tank, ensuring it is lubricated and fitted properly. If the liquid is clear, the condensation that forms is not draining properly, meaning the tank support tray drain is blocked. Remove the tank, locate the hole in the middle of the tray and clear it. Use something like a pipe cleaner or a cable tie to clear the hole from above and below. Then, pour very warm water, not too hot, down the hole to flush it out. Thanks for watching. For more of our how-to guides, visit snowshock.com/support.